Welcome back. This is Chili Davis. I'm here to do another video. We'll do a video on my top stocks, but I'm also going to cover some financial news. And I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. If this is your first time, please click the subscribe button and click the notification to continuously get updates. So I want to thank you for joining me. And today we're going to talk about my top stocks. We're also going to talk about here on Motley Fool, Wells Fargo dividend hike and stock buyback plan. So that is great news for Wells Fargo. It is bank earnings season. And so usually everything comes in flows. So the banks will go this week and then some other big companies will go again next week. But the banks kicks off earnings season. And so Wells Fargo decides to buy back stock and also a dividend hike. So that's good news. It says key points happened during Wells Fargo's earnings. It doubled its quarterly common dividend from 10 cents to 20 cents after cutting the dividend 80% last year. Well, that was during the pandemic. And the bank's former 0.51 cents quarterly common dividend will likely be too high. Given the bank's earnings capacity, Wells Fargo also authorized $18 billion share repurchase plan over the next year, which is equivalent to roughly 10% of the bank's current market capitalization. So that's great news. By them buying back their stock, that'll put pressure on the stock to go up. So let's go to the general news. Bank of America earnings. So this is Bank of America shares dip after a low interest rate squeeze. Bank of America's earnings mixed. Citigroup, well, so that's on business and daily. And then I just wanted to cover that you can listen to earnings call on YouTube. If you're into that, you can actually go on just YouTube and do, for example, Infosys. This is like one of the largest India IT companies. They're doing their videos on YouTube. I think this is Bloomberg Quint, but they're doing it on YouTube. So check them out if you're looking to get a feel for what earnings call is about. Also Netflix. Netflix does the video too on YouTube. So if you're not a just an audio person, I'm more of an audio person, but if you're more of a visual person, there is some companies that decide to just do their earnings call on video. And so I'm just going to give you a quick.
With that, let me turn it over to Nidhi for her first question.
Thanks, Spencer. Thank you all for having me. Great to be with you. Thank you all for all the great work over the years. It's been great for us to be on this journey with you as shareholders.
So this is a shareholder.
Obviously, you were coming last year with 15 million.
Okay, so that is Netflix on Q1 earnings. I'm sure they'll have one out in a few weeks. This is April of 2021. Netflix does their earnings call on YouTube. So if you want to catch all past earnings call, there it is, YouTube, and just type in Netflix earnings and some of your other popular companies, largest in the world. Okay, so here's my top stocks. Looks like been up in early market. The market has not opened yet, but we do have some pre-market trading. And the first ticker symbol we have up is GOOGL, or Google, is up 0.29%. Next ticker symbol we have is CRWD. CrowdStrike is up 0.25%. And next ticker symbol we have is SHOP, or Shopify is up. Let's see, Shopify up 1 point. Let's take a look. Okay, yeah, Shopify is up 0.56%. Not sure what's going on with Robinhood there, but Apple is not up. Apple was up pre-market. Yeah, so they're up 1.69%. So keep your eye on Apple. Apple is making a move. Not sure why this Robinhood just keeps showing me differently. So yeah. Yeah, that's strange. Showing Apple is up 2.53%. That doesn't look right. But Apple in pre-market right now is up 1.69%. Apple's one of the best companies in the world. They have $1 trillion market cap. So anyway, those are the top stocks I have in the Robinhood. Just to quickly look at early movers, some of the same. The Shanghai Group company is down 51%. PLX Pharma is up 29%. Corvus Gold is up 26%. Soho is up 27.37%. So these are the early movers. Robinhood features this, so you can check this out. Also, again, they have stuff from Reuters, news article related to financials. Wells Fargo swing to profit on reserve release, boost and cost cuts. So we know they cut personal lines of credit. So they're coming up with a new strategy to increase revenue and cut losses. Okay, so let's take a look. My top stocks this morning. Ticker symbol FRO, or Frontline Ordinary Shares, is up 3.67. Ticker symbol HYLN, or Helion Holdings, is up 2.9%. FSM, Fortuna Silver Mines. So this is a hedge. It's going to hedge against inflation. It's up 2.54%. Teladoc, so this is telemedicine, is up 1.97. UABS, or Aerial Systems, AG Aerial Systems. They do drones. So if you're interested in drones, they're still relatively cheap at $4 something per share. Another inflation here, AUY, or Umana Gold, is up 1.92%. Barrick Gold, or ticker symbol GOLD, is up 1.8%. Ticker symbol AAPL, Apple, is up 1.79%. And ticker symbol SAV, or Spirit Airlines, is up 1.76%. So those are my top stocks for today. That's what I kind of wanted to cover. So do have a slight uptrend during pre-market. Let's see, we are just about a little over an hour away before the market opens. See what else is going on. Let's see if there's some sales. So I always like to look. Now, just for everybody, AMC is still, I think, trending down. Wow, okay. Tesla is not moving that much in the pre-market. AMC is down 3%. Twilio is up a little bit. Ticker symbol SBCE is down 0.77%, so I ain't quite. Nike is down. So you can't really tell what's a buy today because the market is not trading a lot of volume today, it looks like, in the pre-market. I do want to talk about my Nifty chart again. My top of my pyramid filled with IPOs and high risk. Diddy, NEG, Amarin, AMC, Clove, those type of meme stocks. My high risk, and then we talked about some banks today like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase, Goldman Sachs, Space. As you filter down this pyramid, you can feel more and more confident and comfortable buying these stocks that are winners over the long term, and that I like. Apple's phenomenal one. Ford has been good. Okta has been good. Twilio has been good. Tesla's been good. Amazon's been good. Google's been good. Facebook, Microsoft, all those been great for my portfolio. And so that's why I started, creating more accounts, because I want some exposure to all of them. So I've got Amazon here, I've got Google here, I've got CrowdStrike, I got CMG, I got Shop, and I've got Uber. Well, not so much Uber, but I've got more Apple over here. I've got them in both accounts, Apple. I've got Facebook over here. So I continue to add on the long term, Apple, Facebook, Google, Amazon, and Tesla has been really good to me. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, and please like, share, and comment below.